Day 16, increasing your energy.
Hey guys, this is Faith and welcome to day 16 of our meditation challenge on Do You Yoga. Now, sometimes in meditation, we want to relax and let go, and we want to calm the mind. But sometimes, in order to get to that place of finding a place of balance and stability and calmness and ease, we sometimes need to rejuvenate the body and create a little energy in order to find a sense of steadiness. So today's meditation is about creating a little energy in the body and then allowing yourself to simply be in the breath and let go in the body. So before we jump right into our meditation, we are going to do a little movement today. We're going to do a simple little Kriya. So it's about creating energy and stimulating and letting that energy rise throughout the spine, opening up the shoulders, kind of cleansing a little bit with a little twisting, and then we'll find a place of ease. So what I'd like for you to do is, of course, find a comfortable seat. You can sit on a pillow, a blanket, a block, anywhere comfortable. You can also sit in a chair, but make sure you have space behind you because you are going to twist. So you're going to place both hands on your shoulders. Make sure your thumbs are behind you and your fingers are in front. So your elbows are bent, and you want to make sure your elbows are in the same line with your shoulders. So they're all parallel to the floor. Of course, sit up tall, relax your shoulders. And we're going to first start out with just breathing in and out through the nose. So take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out of the nose. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out of the nose. One more like that. Deep breath in through the nose. And exhale out of the nose. Now, as we move to this little fire-heated Kriya, of course, stay with your breath. And again, in through the nose and out through the nose. As you inhale, you're going to inhale through the left or to your left. As you exhale, you're going to twist and let it go through your right. Inhale to the left, exhale through the right. Let's keep that going a few more times. In through the left, exhale through the right. Inhale through your left, exhale through your right. Now let's speed it up a little bit. Inhale to the left, exhale to your right. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now you can keep your eyes open on this, or if you prefer, you can close your eyes. But remember, inhale to the left, exhale to your right. Continue to sit up tall, shoulders, elbows are in the same line. You're inhaling to your left, exhaling to your right. The crown of the head is lifting up towards the ceiling. Keep your hips rooted and continue twisting. Inhale to the left, exhale to your right. So we only have a few more. We're taking this for just about a minute. Stimulating, creating a little heat in the body, doing a little cleansing so we make room for a nice calm mind. Five more. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take a deep breath in, reach the arms up. Exhale, relax the arms, relax your shoulders. One more inhale, reach your arms high. And exhale, relax the shoulders. Now place your hands on your knees. Relax your shoulders, sit up nice and tall. And since this is about energizing, actually let's flip the hands today. So take the hands, place the backs of your hands on your knees with the palms facing up. So we're in this place of receptivity, openness, and energy. Just allow yourself to be with the breath. Allow it to come in and out through your nose. Feel the energy that you've cultivated, that fire and that heat in the spine. Feel all the cobwebs you've cleaned out of your mind with the cleansing twist. Feel that freedom and openness you're creating with a steady mind and heart through your meditation. Just allow yourself to simply be with the breath, be in this space of openness. Feel the sensation and the vibration of rejuvenation. Shoulders relaxed, keeping the breath steady and smooth as you breathe in and out through your nose. Sitting up tall. Feeling that powerful, rejuvenating energy pouring through your body. Clarity of your mind. Allow the smoothness and calmness of your breath to bring you to a state of balance and steadiness and ease. Deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out of your mouth. One more like that. Deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out of your mouth. Bring your palms together. Warm them up. Place your hands over your eyes. Allow that heat and warmth to seep in. And as you exhale, allow the hands to fall. So this meditation is perfect to do when you're feeling a little sluggish, or if you need to kind of spice things up in your life, if your mind is a little cluttered or cloudy and you can't seem to find that sense of creativity or openness or focus that you need. So feel free to do it at any point in time when you need to spice up and create a little more energy in your life. Thank you guys so much for joining me here for our meditation challenge, and I will see you tomorrow.